today is Saturday. I'm home. Today we are going to cook here at home. And yeah, it's me and my cousin. We're going to cook. And as you can see, I've already took a bath. I'm glowing. So yeah, I've already took a bath and then we're going to start cooking right now. I'm going to show you guys what we are going to cook. I'm going to show you everything and then I'm going to show you even the final results or the salads that we're going to do. And just to brief you up, my other cousin is meeting his son for the first time in 17 years. I'm not quite sure if he did met the person before, and I'm not quite sure, but like what I can tell you is in 17 years he's going to meet his son, let me just say, for the first time. Yeah, so we're going to cook and prepare everything like that. Yeah, everything of that sort. We're going to cook and prepare, and yeah, we're going to have drinks later on and chill. So yeah, I didn't even do the laundry. When you see me doing laundry during the day, then it means it was part of the plan, because I didn't do laundry and tomorrow is going to be struggle. So I might do laundry as well. So yeah, I'm wearing my what is this? I'm wearing this crop top Agoria, and then I've got this skirt of mine. I'm wearing the skirt that I was wearing yesterday. And then, guys, let me show you something. One thing about my son. Look at what my son did to my wall. And I couldn't remove it because I feel like it's special to him. So, yeah. So I decided to keep it like that. And it looks so beautiful when you get in. So, yeah, guys, let me go to the house because I'm done bathing. And I'll show you guys what we're going to do. So, yeah. Toodles. Isso você diz, ó. Oh, this fire free goes so much. Quickly show you guys what we're going to use for cooking. We have chicken breasts. We have 2 chicken breasts, and we have, you guys saw the veggies, right? So this is part of the veggies. And then we have the fruit chutney. We have honey mustard dressing. We have cream, a fresh cream. And then we have sour cream, aromat, beef stew with rosemary, mushroom sauce, green beans. Guys, please forgive me for the noise, the background noise. The kettle is on. And then we have the green beans. We have, let me try to be quick, we have butter beans with brine, red kidney beans. Okay, let me come this side. And then we have turmeric, spice, cayenne pepper, paprika, cheese. It's mozzarella, né? It's mozzarella loaf. And then we have feta cheese with black pepper. We have green chilies. My cousin loves chilies. So we have what we call a red cabbage. We have sweet chili sauces. Sweet chili sauces, 4 of them. And then we have a tomato paste, all-in-one curry powder with garlic, and then we have what do they call these peppers? What do they call them? They say robot peppers. Yeah. And then we have tastic rice. We have macaroni, 2 macaroni, and then we have what do you call we have the meat in the fridge, but I'll show you guys when we are about to prepare the meat and stuff. So currently it's in the fridge, so yeah, I'll show you when we do it. Toodles.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Nazarai, abukele ukuthi phela besibhizi. Sibhizi ngama-TV, prepare.
Focus on me, baby. Can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running, and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus? you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on scene, think you know you're gonna be. That's why you didn't call it but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your
Happening.
I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
When we break the code, no way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol, no way. Be the last one out to get the stove, no way. Not one of you fucking head hoes, no way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Hit that house, like tell me is you with it, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah bitch. Yeah bitch. Dream the living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all at night top rhyming, yeah bitch. Park the car then we start rhyming, yeah bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a rapping for the revenue.
Halle Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might say fuck the niggas that you came with. That's just how I feel.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run for